Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBI Clerk 2022. And you can join with me and make your timetable. And my suggestion is start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And also, I am providing small tips and tricks and shortcuts for each subject. And if you have any doubts, join my Telegram group, your Bankers Mantra. And I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. Daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same. So every day in morning before 9 am revise all basics of each subject like formulas, tables, squares and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. They provide daily quizzes and they are freely available. So on daily basis, attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So and on daily basis, watch editorial video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of your source. And my suggestion is for prelims mock test, who are beginners, they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing, they can purchase Oliveboard or SmartKida, and they are very helpful for our all prelims and mains exams. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series, and then choose which is best as per your convenience. And those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of QUANT, reasoning and English for practicing prelims level. And all of you know, most of the syllabus and topics are covered in each subject of English, QUANT and reasoning. And still we have some remaining topics. In QUANT, there are some arithmetic topics and reasoning almost done. So we practicing different types of puzzles. And in English also small topics only. So tomorrow for QUANT section of prelims level, tomorrow attempt quizzes for the topic of pipes and cistern, and today we watched video for the topic of pipes and cistern. So tomorrow attempt quizzes, and also for reasoning attempt quizzes for designation based puzzles, and today we watched designation based puzzles from Byju's YouTube channel. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for that. And in afternoon I planned for mains preparation, and who are beginners, they all revise and practice for your weak areas where you are lacking, and give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And tomorrow for that English section of prelims level, attempt quizzes for error detections based on prepositions and conjunction, and today we watched video for that. So tomorrow attempt quizzes for that. And for the quizzes we have many free sources. And who are preparing for mains, they give 1 hour for each subject of QUANT, reasoning and English. And in every Saturday I planned for a mains mock test. So tomorrow attempt a mains mock test from Exam.B website, and there is a free mains mock test of IBPS clerk. So attempt that tomorrow who are preparing for mains. And if you have any doubts about these topics, videos, PDFs, you can ask in my Telegram group. And in my Telegram group, I will share every topics, videos, PDFs and quizzes. And I will provide that link in description. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs and read daily current affairs. And from 4 days, we are reading March 2nd week current affairs. So tomorrow, attempt quizzes of March 2nd week current affairs from Practice Mark website or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, who are beginners, attempt a second prelims mock test of the day and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And who are attempted mains mock test, they all revise the mains mock test and identify your weak areas where you are lacking, and prepare some brief notes of your weak areas in your mock test for the next day preparation. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being with me. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and latest updates.